Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video. So unfortunately today we woke up with the sad and devastating news that popular celebrity Sangoma Ugogo Manzini has sadly passed away. Now her family has issued a statement saying that Ugogo Manzini passed away following a short illness. You guys, now Gogo Manzini were first introduced to her when she first came onto Owami Netubazauru's channel, where she basically exposes everything about witchcraft and Ubungoma, you guys. And she, I would say, became very, very close to Owami, and they had some sort of a friendship. You guys, now Gogo Manzini, about 3 months ago, announced that she is going to Turkey to go do a full body cosmetic surgery, and it was successful, you guys. And a month ago, rather, she came back onto Owami's channel to detail what it is that she had and how much she had paid for the surgery, and she revealed that she paid over 310,000 rand, you guys. And today we wake up to the sad news that she has passed away. Now, Wami was Kokomanzini's friend, and she is currently very much devastated of the passing. So she has reacted and posted this on her Instagram. Of course, you're deeply troubled and devastated by the passing of Ugogo Manzini, who was only 31 years old. If I didn't see you, I wouldn't believe it. Gogo Manzini Chomi, you broke my heart. Then with a broken heart emoji. And then she said, at Gogo Manzini Chomi, I will never forget you. We're definitely sending out our deepest and sincere condolences to Gogo Manzini's family and husband, and may her precious soul rest in peace.